Hello folks, this is Aitanacha from inspiredwise.com and today we are going to talk about the Oppo Enco W11 wireless earphones. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Oppo Enco W11 and the first thing that you see inside the W11 box is the earbuds, and you will find the earbuds inside the case. And apart from that, you'll find the warranty card and the quick start guide on the inside. If you look closely, you will also find the USB-C cable for charging this one and the different sized ear tips for this one. Now let's talk about the build and design, and we will focus firstly on the design of the box. They have a glossy white finish, and if you don't take proper care, it might get dirty easily. There's an indicator light at the front and there's a USB-C charging port at the back. The case is lightweight and it's very easy to open, and it closes with a satisfying snap. The earbuds have a simple yet elegant design which allows for great passive noise isolation, and the pairing process is pretty easy. You just open up the box and it pairs up then and there. If you take a look at the front LED indicator, without the earphones it shows the charge on the box, and with the earbuds inside it shows the charge contained in the earbuds. There are no indicators present on the earbuds themselves, and they have a very great passive noise isolation. So when you are using these earphones, you won't be able to hear a lot of noise around you, and it's great for workouts, gymming and a lot of that stuff. The surface of these earbuds is touch sensitive, so a single tap allows you to play and pause, double tap allows you to skip tracks of your choice, and a triple tap triggers the voice assistant present on your smartphone. So that is pretty good. You can also adjust the volume by holding up the left or the right side in order to increase or decrease the volume. Hardware wise, they support Bluetooth 5.0, AAC audio codec, and there's instant connection on opening the lid. It's IP55 water and dust resistant, and it can handle occasional sweat or splashes of water. If you talk about gaming, the latency is not really that good if you compare it to some comparable products from Realme or some other brands. For gaming, I won't be recommending these, but the audio quality is definitely good. The sound stage is particularly good. And if I talk about the highs, they are a bit more pronounced than I would like, but still, for anybody who's going to listen to a lot of music, they will definitely love this product. And if you're somebody who's going to do a lot of gaming, it won't be that much of a problem, but the latency is nowhere near as good as a wired product, or maybe even products with a dedicated low latency mode. For a price of around 2,499, I believe that the Oppo Enco W11 offers a lot of good things, like a good 4-hour battery life. You get a very good audio quality, and the overall experience of using these TWS is really seamless. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and to subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.